guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be taking a giant bucket of crazy art slime and turning it into 4 new beautiful slimes. So how this is going to work is I'm going to take a giant bucket of crazy art slime, split it into 4 pieces, and make 4 new beautiful slimes out of it. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. As always, before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can pick out my supplies, but before we do that, I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the 2 piggies, Snickers and Cinnamon. They are both really sweet. Normally right now I would show you a couple clips of them running around during floor time, but I have a feeling this is going to be a really long video, so for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you a couple clips of them just running around in the cage. Moving on, now I'm going to take you over to my slime area where I keep all of my supplies. I am going to be using a lot of ingredients, so I'm going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. Now moving on to the slime buckets, this is a slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover. It's a neon pink crazy art slime. So this is the slime we are going to be giving a makeover. I have gotten slime from this brand before. You guys may have seen my slime review videos that I've done a few months ago, but I really love this brand. They do such a nice job, and I thought it would be really fun to give this slime a makeover. So I went ahead and pulled the slime out of the container, and as soon as I started playing with it, the slime was sticking all over the table. I wasn't really sure what happened there. I've never had that happen to me before. I have a feeling it may have melted in shipping because it did feel a little bit melted when I was playing with it. So to start off with the makeover, the first thing I did is I went ahead and poured the slime into a large bowl. So the first thing I'm going to be adding is some white Elmer's school glue. The reason why I'm going to be adding this is because it's going to make the slime a lot bigger because we are transforming this into 4 slimes. And it's also going to make the slime nice and stretchy. So after mixing in the glue, the slime was so much nicer. It didn't stick to the table at all, and it was so nice and glossy. So here I have split the slime into 4 different pieces, and I'm going to be giving each of these slimes a complete makeover, so we'll have 4 new beautiful slimes. So for the first slime makeover, the first thing I'm going to be adding is some shaving cream. This is going to make it nice and soft and stretchy. So now to give our slime a nice fluffy bubbly texture, I'm going to go ahead and add a few pumps of foaming hand soap. Because I want this slime to be extra thick, I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch. I think my favorite part of the makeover is mixing in the cornstarch because it's so satisfying and I love all the popping sounds. I wanted to change up the color of the slime, so I thought it'd be really fun to mix in some purple food coloring. So this is what the color looks like all mixed in. This slime is so gorgeous and I'm in love with it. So to top it off, the final ingredient I'm going to be adding is some silver glitter. So here's the first slime makeover all completed. This slime was so nice and I loved playing with it. So for the second slime makeover, the first thing I'm going to be adding is some shaving cream to soften it up. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is some lotion. This is going to make our slime smell good and it's also going to make it extra soft. To give our slime some extra fun bubble pops, I'm going to go ahead and add some foaming hand soap. Instead of changing the color, I decided to keep it because I really love the shade of pink, but if you guys would like to change the color, now would be the time. Now to change up the texture, I went ahead and added some Daiso clay. This is going to make the slime nice and buttery. The slime did harden a little bit when I added the clay, so I went ahead and added some lotion. And finally, to top off the slime, the final thing I'm going to be adding are these really pretty star-shaped glitters. So here is the second slime makeover all completed. This slime turned out so gorgeous. I loved all of the star-shaped glitters and it just makes me so happy. So to start off with the third slime makeover, the first thing I'm going to be adding is some foam soap to soften it up. And now to soften up the slime, I'm going to be adding some lotion. film this clip, I originally was going to have the slime to be blue, so I thought adding blue food coloring would turn the slime blue, but I don't think I was thinking because pink and blue make purple, so I ended up with a purple slime. Adding the blue food coloring actually turned this a really gorgeous color. It was sort of like a purplish blue, and I was really happy with it. So to change up the texture, I'm going to be adding these white foam beads from the dollar store. Usually when you buy these at normal craft stores, they're always really expensive, but I find that getting these around Christmas time, they're so much cheaper. It's only $1 for an entire bag, so if you have a dollar store near you, I definitely stock up. So here's the third slime makeover all completed. This slime turned out really nice, it had such amazing bubble pops, and I had a ton of fun playing with it. So moving on to the last and final makeover, this one was my personal favorite, and the first thing I'm going to be adding is some Elmer's Glue All. The glue on the left is regular Elmer's school glue, and the glue on the right is Elmer's Glue All. I'm going to be adding an entire bottle of this. This is just going to make our slime extra thick. The slime did get a little bit sticky after adding the glue, so I went ahead and added a little bit of activator. So now to make our slime extra fluffy, I'm going to be adding some shaving cream. So now, because we are making an extra thick slime, I'm going to be adding some cornstarch. Now to give our slime a fun peachy orange color, I'm going to be adding some orange food coloring. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be adding these really cute fruit slices. So here's the final slime makeover all completed. This one was my personal favorite. It turned out so nice. I loved all of the bubble pops and it was so thick and glossy. Just watching this clip makes me want to go run downstairs, grab it, and start playing with it. So here's the slime before the makeover, and here are the slimes after. I am so happy with the end result of these slimes. They were just so much fun to recreate. I can't believe I turned one slime into 4 different slimes. It was just so much fun. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! Merry Christmas!